I've been studying F-150s for 8 years, and I know a shop owner who sees hundreds of F-150s every month coming through his shop. He told me something important. There are 3 F-150 years that simply never come back with serious problems. 3 years that owners keep forever and never regret. If you own one of these 3, you got it right. You're lucky. Shop owner sees everything. 2020 F-150s already coming back with problems. 2015 F-150s with failing transmissions. 2000s F-150s with rust eating them alive. But there are 3 years that are completely different. 200,000 miles, 300,000 miles, some with 400,000, and they keep running strong. Owners of these 3 specific years, they never sell because they know exactly what they have in their hands. And if you want to find out if you are one of the lucky ones, subscribe to the channel because today I'm going to reveal exactly which 3 magic years these are. First year, 1996. If you have a 1996 F-150, congratulations, you got it right. Shop owner told me, when I see a 1996 come in here, I already know. It'll be basic maintenance. Oil, filters, maybe brakes, but never anything serious. Never engine, never transmission. Why is 1996 so special? Because it was the last year of the OBS generation before Ford redesigned everything in 1997. 5 complete years of refinement since 1992. Every problem had already been identified and fixed. Ford literally perfected the design before abandoning it. 5.0 Windsor engine or 5.8 Windsor engine, indestructible. E40D and 4R7DW transmissions, bulletproof. Twin I-beam suspension, practically eternal. Shop owner showed me his records of 47 OBS F-150s from 1996 that came through his shop in the last 10 years. None came back with serious engine or transmission problems. 0. If you have a 1996, you don't have an old F-150. You have the final and perfect version of a legendary era. Second year, 2001. If you have 2001, you got the year nobody talks about, but everyone should want. Shop owner says 2001 is the quiet year. It's not famous like OBS, not new like the modern ones, but it's solid as a rock. Why? Because it was the year Ford finally got the 5.4-liter 2-valve Triton right. 2001 still had more robust internal components than the following years. Stronger alternator, more reliable fuel pump, less complicated electrical system. Shop owner told me, when I see a 2001 at auction, experienced mechanics fight to buy it because they know it doesn't give problems. Return rate? Less than 3%. Compare that to 2004, 2005, 2006 from the same generation, over 18% come back with serious problems, especially spark plugs breaking inside the cylinder. But your 2001? It escaped all that. You have the sweet spot of the 10th generation. Third year, 2011, but with one critical condition, only with the 5.0 Coyote V8 engine. If you have 2011 with 5.0 Coyote, you have the most reliable modern F-150 ever built. Shop owner works a lot with modern F-150s, and he told me, I see 2011 Coyotes with 250, 280,000 miles running like they have 50,000. It's impressive. 2011 was the first year of the revolutionary Coyote V8, and Ford got it right on the first try. Super reinforced aluminum block, robust dual timing chain, not the ones that stretch, oil system with constant pressure. Ford learned from all the mistakes of the problematic 5.4-liter. Shop owner is direct. If a customer asks me which modern F-150 will give less problems in the next 10 years, I tell them to buy 2011 to 2014 with 5.0 Coyote, no doubt. Important, I'm talking only about the 5.0 Coyote. The EcoBoost from the same year is a good engine, but doesn't have the same trouble-free survival rate. So, those are the 3, 1996, 2001, and 2011 with Coyote. 3 years, 3 different generations, but one thing in common. They were years where Ford got everything right. If you have one of these 3, you don't have an F-150 by accident. You have one of the most reliable years Ford ever built. You're part of a special club, the club of the lucky ones. Those who chose or were lucky enough to choose the right year. Which of the 3 do you have? Comment down below the year and current mileage. Let's build a real database in the comments. And if you have another year that's also strong and reliable, comment that too. I want to hear all the stories. If this video made you feel proud of your F-150, hit that like button. And next week, I'm showing the 3 F-150 years that shop owners avoid working on and why. See you then.